Hey traders, this is Chris with another No BS Forex report for December 12th, 2019. And I just wanted to jump on quick, just talk a little bit about the dollar and some of the price action we're seeing right now. So as I said yesterday, the dollar broke that 250 level pretty handily, but we're seeing a big bounce, not a big bounce, a little bit of a bounce here today. So we got all the way down to 240 and we're bouncing back up 270 right now. So a lot of this has to do with the trade rhetoric. Trump came out with a tweet and said a big deal is close, but he's been saying that for quite a while. Some of the China commentary was kind of against that and said that they were tired of talk and they want to see action. So we'll see what happens. But again, I said we might get a bounce back. We might get a little overshoot of this 250 area, which we did yesterday. And we're getting this little bounce back today. So kind of sitting on the sidelines, just waiting to see what happens. We've got the elections in the UK today, which are going to have a big effect on the pound. So definitely not holding any trades through that. We'll see what happens after the numbers start coming in after the election. But right now, just watching the dollar. I mean, if we got to move back up well above this 12,300 maybe, then I'd start thinking about going long the dollar again. But we'll see how this holds. Right now, the 250 area is definitely holding. So we'll see what happens. Take a quick look at euro. I mean, euro went up to this 200-day average I talked about yesterday, and it's now coming off. And I think the Aussie was doing the same. So we'll see what happens here with the euro. Like I said, 200-day moving average was a big level of resistance. So we'll see what happens. Coming off a little bit today, but nothing to really write home about yet. Let's take a quick look at the Aussie. Same thing. Hit very close to the 200 and is coming off. So we'll see what happens. Dollar is staying resilient right now. A lot of rhetoric going on with the trade and the tariffs. So I'm really kind of just sitting on the sidelines and wait and see what happens. If anything changes, I will jump back on. Just pay attention for later today when the UK elections go down, because there's probably going to be a lot of movement in pound, which is kind of in limbo right now. I mean, it could go anywhere depending on how the election results are. That's why I'm just going to stay on the sidelines. Could see a huge move up or down. Never know what's going to happen. So, yeah, I'll jump back on if anything changes today, guys. Otherwise, have a good trade day, and I will talk to you later.